Hello and welcome to Backend Development with Django. Build real-world applications. Having to check out this course, it means that you have an interest in backend development and not just backend development, but with Django. And at the end of this course, rest assured that you are going to be taken from a beginner with absolute zero knowledge of Django to a proficient Django developer. Welcome to this course, and I believe that at the end of this course, you will comfortably be able to write codes that would be used or utilized with real-world applications. Welcome. Congratulations on taking this step. The truth is, a lot of persons might feel this uncertainty of not knowing a lot of things. You don't know how to, maybe you don't know how to use your computer very well enough. You just know a bit of Python. You feel that you don't know as good as you should know to take this course. But the truth is, you don't need to know everything absolutely. You just need the commitment, the will to stay consistent. As long as that will is there, I can assure you that you're going to complete this course and you're completing it successfully. Congratulations for deciding to take this step. Why backend development? You could ask yourself. You might wonder, why am I even doing backend development? Is it that important? Yes, backend development is actually very important for the smooth processing or operation of platforms, be it your desktop app, be it your mobile app, or your web apps. Backend are what adds the actual functionalities to this platform. When you visit a website, that you're able to log into that website, you're able to see lots of data change dynamically. You're able to see that this platform is thoroughly secured. It's because it has a backend. Take a simple scenario. You visit the restaurant and then you place an order for a food. The waiter goes to the kitchen to get this food. This is a simple cycle of how the backend operates. From your front end, on your browser or your mobile phone, you click a button, for instance, that is expected to maybe log you in onto the platform. Now that makes a request to the backend, and then it is the responsibility of the backend to check, to authenticate this user, and of course grant associating permissions to this user. So you can see how important the backend is. It's responsible for the logic, it's responsible for data management and security, and it's responsible for the business rules. Then you might also wonder, should I even go with Django? Okay, now I know what backend is. I know that backend is important for this, for the functionality of platforms. But why should I go with Django? The truth is, Django powers the world, because from Silicon African tech giant to to global platforms, Django actually was used in building them. Talk about Instagram, talk about Pinterest, talk about NASA, talk about Spotify, and a whole lot of them out there. These platforms were built with Django. This is to tell you that your decision to work with Django isn't a wrong decision at all. Out of all the many frameworks out there, having to work with Django, be rest assured that you're not making the wrong decision. For your success through this course, I will encourage that you actually make a personal commitment. This is between you and yourself. You make a personal commitment, your developer pledge, where you promise yourself to be responsible or attend all lectures, to complete all assignments, and help others when you can. This is very necessary. You prepare it as a document, or rather print the one that will be provided, append your signature to it, and put it where you constantly see it while you're learning or studying. This would make sure, or rather put this commitment to you or your mind, and tell you that you have something to achieve, and I urge you to keep by it.